I'm going to dive into a trade that I did a while ago, or a few trades that I did a while ago with price channels. Price channels they basically one parallel line over another, usually with a slope. Sometimes they're flat, looking like rectangles, something like you can see prices that go into a figure like that. And that's called a rectangle. I'll talk about that some other time, but in this case with LNC, I'll go down to the 6-month chart. A couple months ago I saw this. It was a price channel, and I saw it as an opportunity where you see price channel. First you draw the one trend line above, and then after that, after you draw the trend line above, you draw the trend line below. Alright. And not too hard to see. Like, we see price goes up and it's in a downtrend. We know this because lower highs, lower lows, and it's going down, hitting that support, up here hitting that resistance, repeating. And in the meantime, I was trading this. First, I didn't know that it was in a channel at this point, so I was completely out of it. But as soon as I saw this happen, I took the opportunity as it started going up and just took a low risk trade, which those are gems, and I bought in right here. I bought in right there. It was about, usually like to do about 20% of the entire distance. So I knew there, bought there, went like this, and since that didn't close below that line, I didn't bother selling it. And then it went up, hit that line, and it went down, started going down again, and sure enough, when I decided the trend wasn't confirmed, about a 20% move down the total distance between the two lines. So about 20%. I got out and then I went short on it, and then same thing again, bought here, saw this happen, and this one actually told me, my emotions got the best of me when it broke below this level, to get out of it. So I did. I got out of there. It was a mistake, but then as soon as it got to here again, I bought right back in, went up, and it broke that line, which that usually means that either the technical structure is weakening or a new trend is in place. But regardless, it went down again. 3 days after, got out, went down, same thing again. And just telling you, if you did buy and hold on this, you would have been making or losing. You'd be losing a lot more money if you just bought, because as you see, it's in a downtrend. But if you were short selling and rode this down, say you short sold right here and got to here, you would have only made about $3 on the trade. Well, when you do this, you made $2 there, you made $3 there, so you make some more money. So I bought in again, and then it broke this line, which to me says, okay, the trend is broken. The downtrend is now broken, and this resistance line now acts as a support line. As you see, it uses as a support. So I am still in. Right now, I'm guessing it's going to do a sideways pattern. This is just for now, which is something like I was showing you before. It's called a rectangle. It's called a rectangle where the price it'll go up and then back down and then up, down, and short. And I'm going to take a guess, because I don't think it's going to resume its current downtrend, because I think the market's in an uptrend itself, and also this stock might get bought out. So I'm guessing that eventually it's going to break through and then go into an uptrend. But I'm no buy recommendation on this right now. There are many other profitable ventures on it as of this point that you can take in the market. So this is just how you trade a channel. Try to use a low commission broker if you're not using a lot of money, like Options House or Zecco, because if you're using like TD Ameritrade or Thinkorswim, the commissions are going to start to add up. But that's just a way to do it. Another simple trading strategy, very effective. So hope you learned something. Happy trading.